So if you guys remember from the last lecture, we have two types of stresses that can occur, and those would be compressional and tensional. Those two will result in a dip-slip fault. The shear will result in the fault we're going to talk about in a little bit. So these are the two types of faults that result from tensional and compressional. We have a normal fault that results from tensional, that is, the rocks being pulled apart. And in the bottom left, we have an example of that. In that example, the hanging wall of the fault has moved down relative to the footwall. So it has moved in the normal direction that you would expect it to move according to gravity, right? It's sort of slid downhill. In contrast, we have a reverse fault. And in the reverse fault, we have the hanging wall that has moved up relative to the footwall. So you can see in that diagram that the marker bed has moved up along that slope in the reverse direction that you would expect if gravity was in control. So we have a normal and reverse faults, and both of these are dip-slip faults.